Hey. Woo. So, hello guys. So it was the first update of the actual trading challenge. How is it going? How is it not going? And I'm gonna give you updates every 2 weeks. So I'm not constantly bombarding you with videos every single day. And every 2 weeks feels like it's a decent enough of time for you to see the direction of where this is going or not. So, like this week that just been, today is the 7th? Let me just double check. Yes, today is the 7th of February 2021, and yes, it's been 1 week, so I'm filming this ahead already, so because I want to give you like the information as it goes through my head. So, review of the first week of the trading challenge. How well did we do? How bad did we do? Not so great as I would want to, and part of it was my fault, not a challenge, to be honest. And so we took 5 trades, 5 trades throughout the whole week, and in reality, the strategy only presented 2 trading opportunities, and I took 5. So this already tells you I slightly bent the rule here or there, because you know the psychology of doing a challenge, putting my ass out on the line, trying to, you know, show, I don't know if it's show off or present a good performance to you guys, and it's just interesting. But don't worry, like out of those 5 trades, 3 of them that I bent the rules, all the trades I bent the rules were losses. Then the first ever trade that I put on was actually a trading opportunity. I took it. Unfortunately, we lost some money. Got stopped out, then it went our way. It's okay. Then the last trading opportunity, which was actually the 5th trade, which was on the Friday, on the last trading day of the week. We actually managed to get some profits over 1 to 3 risk to reward, because the minimum is 1 to 3, just over it. And yet we managed to get nearly all the profits back from the 4 losing trades. This is why I like to do risk management, and this is why I said I was going to risk one pip in order to gain 3 pips. Now, the difference from Thursday to Friday is I stopped. I can't even get my words out. I assessed what I was doing, and I saw that I wasn't, you know, thinking clearly. Like the rule that broke out of my plan wasn't even like a major rule, as in obviously I shouldn't say it wasn't a major rule, but it wasn't like I was just taking trades left, right, and center. It was simply because on the trading plan I did a back test between the hours of 7 a.m. all the way to 10 p.m. Anything after, you know, that after 10 p.m. and before 7 a.m. I'm not supposed to take, because I consider that as my resting or sleeping time, whatever. And because I was awake during that time and I saw some opportunities, I took them. It wasn't part of the plan, and I got what I deserved. That's fair enough. Now this week should be a lot more interesting, because all the setups that I took were setups type C, which they're not the most ideal type of setups. And hopefully, I can't say for sure because I have to wait and see how the market unfolds. Hopefully we should be seeing some type A scenarios, and we should be banking some profits on the following week. Let's see how we do on the next week. We're live. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 2nd week of the trading challenge. And yes, so the previous week, like I said, you know, you probably just watched it like 30 seconds ago. Previous week wasn't so good. It was making a couple of rookie mistakes, because I don't know whether if it's the pressure or just, you know, the enthusiasm to make the money and show you guys that it's possible to make the challenge. But you know, I had to, you know, shake myself, put myself into position, straighten out my mentality, you know, quick, and to go back into some profits like I did end on the previous week. Now this week There were two main trading days that I had. I can't remember if the first one was Tuesday or Wednesday, and then the last one, which was on, I think, yeah, the first one was on Wednesday, and then the last one was on Friday actually. I placed some positions on Friday. So on Wednesday, what happened was I placed the trade, and then the trade was, it was afternoon time. I placed the trade. The trade was still on during the night time. I went to sleep, obviously stop loss, take profit, everything into place. Got stopped out, and then guess what? Obviously went into my direction, hit take profit, would have been a little bit over 1 to 3 risk to reward, so it would have been a nice trade, would have put us right in the green section, green zone. But you know what, it is what it is.
It is what it is.
It happens then. Just need to keep the mind clear. I even made a video. Actually, I'm gonna play that video now because I find it quite funny. So watch that.
Okay guys, so it's freaking Thursday, and today's just been one of them days. I slept 3 hours. I went to sleep at 4 a.m. Don't ask me why, you don't want to know. And then woke up at 7 a.m. because I had some things to get done. Went to get them done. Guess what? Lost my car key. So that's what, another £300 or whatever that I'm gonna have to spend to replace the key. And yesterday evening I placed a trade, opportunity was there. When I woke up I got stopped out. Then what? It hit take profit. Amazing day, isn't it? So I'm pretty tired. I only slept like 3 hours, so I'm gonna go to sleep, get some energy, and then look at the charts again, because you know it's not about how we start the day, it's about how we finish, and see if we can still finish on some big profits today. Yes, I believe so. Let's see.
I took a nap, put my head straight, whatever. Came back later on, waiting for the right opportunity. Then Friday, I placed a few trades. Yeah, they went to slight drawdown and came back, and they're in profit now actually. But I'm not gonna really talk much about those trades because they're not closed yet. So I can't really say, oh yeah, I made this much or I lost this much, because they're still open positions. I can still lose or I can still win. But they were in profit, so they brought me back to break even those trades. So we're back around the £1,000 mark, and hopefully those trades, you know, they go into the take profit zone. We'll be seeing the first profits of the challenge and putting us on the way to the £10,000. Now, I was thinking about this. Do you guys want to see videos of me, like, for example, I could go live every day from Monday to Thursday, showing you guys what am I seeing, you know, for the day, what am I looking for, what am I expecting to happen, as in regards for that currency with the strategy that I'm using at the moment, so you guys can kind of follow the process more closely. If that's something that you'll be interested in, leave it a thumbs up, let me know in the comments, so you know, so I'm not just essentially wasting my time, you know, turning up, doing the lives. If nobody wants to watch them, I can just post the end results like this. And yeah, I think I'm gonna show you like the screenshot of the previous week, and then a screenshot of what's closed so far this week, which isn't much. I think it's only one trade if I'm not mistaken, which was the one that had the stop loss, then it went in my direction. And on the next update, you know, after the next 2 weeks, obviously there's gonna be the screenshots of these trades that are up on Friday that are still open. They're gonna be the screenshots of the profit or the loss, I don't know. We'll see what I want. And yeah, that's it for me today. And I'll see you on episode number 2, muchachos.